What is up, guys? So just few minutes earlier, Apple has launched its latest smartphone, that is the iPhone SE for 2020, and Apple has officially announced the iPhone SE, a lower cost iPhone that's starting at just rupees $399 for a version of with 64 GB of storage. It has the same basic shape and look of the iPhone 8, which means it has 4.7-inch screen, large bezels on the top and bottom, and a home button with Touch ID. It is designed that it has stayed consistent with the iPhone 6 back then, and this is essentially the fifth generation, the same look, and Apple's know this design very well. It is available for the pre-order this Friday, April 17th, and the model 128 GB model offered for $449, and 256 GB model is for $549. So this is an amazing phone, and I think more this has been given importance because it has a very good flagship specification, which is better, and no doubt while this is going to be the best smartphone and best budget smartphone from Apple, and everyone are going to have this for sure. But it comes with that same dinky 5 watt charger, though it supports 18-watt charger, and that same lightning connector, and the cameras are getting better, and the processor is better, A13 bionic, and everything is great, wireless charging, IP67 water protection. So this is going to be a very great deal, and in India it may start from rupees 42,000, and for the basic price, for the basic model, and this is going to be a hype in the market because many of the iPhone users, iPhone lovers would really purchase this, because though it has still the IPS display, but this is going to be a great for many people, and this is going to be the first choice for many people. And there's no doubt that Apple is doing a great job with this SE lineup for 2020. For people who thought the iPhone 6, iPhone 7, and iPhone 8 were too large, the second generation iPhone SE is unlikely to change their mind, but it's clear that the phone screen are all going down from now, and 4.7-inch is the new small. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please comment in the below section on your views.